Hello, welcome to the Food Funda. Summers have finally arrived, and with rise in temperatures, demand for cooling drinks also rises. Thanda is a perfect drink for summers and it is very nutritive too. I will make Thandai concentrate that can be stored in a bottle. Ingredients required to make Thandai are half cup almonds. They were soaked overnight and then the skin is removed. Once the almond is soaked, skin can be removed very easily. 1 tablespoon pistachios soaked overnight and skin removed from the seeds. 1 tablespoon cashew nuts. These are also soaked overnight. Then we have half cup melon seeds soaked overnight. Half cup poppy seeds or posta soaked overnight, and 2 pinch of saffron strands. Half cup of fennel seeds or what we call saunf. 1 tablespoon white peppercorns or black peppercorns, kali mirch. I have taken 35 cardamoms and taken out the seeds from the pod. 3 to 4 tablespoons of rose water and 5 cups sugar and 3 cups of plain water. We will also need clean glass bottles to store Thandai concentrate in, and this much of material will yield about 1 liter or slightly more than 1 liter of Thandai concentrate. Okay, I'll start by making sugar syrup. Transfer sugar to a large container, then add water to it. I will keep it on gas on medium flame. Now I'll make paste of rest of the ingredients. First of all, I'll grind all the dry ingredients: saunf, black or white peppercorns, and cardamom seeds. Then saffron strands also. Now to these grounded ingredients, I will add the soaked nuts and seeds. Here goes almond seeds, almonds, then pistachios, cashew nuts, melon seeds, and poppy seeds. Now to this I will add 3 or 4 tablespoons of sugar syrup that I have kept on gas and grind it all to a smooth paste. It is still very dry, so I'll add some more syrup and grind it again. I have grounded it again and achieved smooth paste. I will now add this paste to the syrup that I am making. Stir it all well. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes and then switch off the gas. Once it is done, I have to pass this concentrate through a sieve and obtain smooth solution. Now I will add rose water to it. And some more saffron strands. We will keep it aside for some time, and when it cools down, fill it in glass bottles. We can mix a part of this concentrate with chilled milk and enjoy tasty Thandai whenever we want. I will pour a small amount of Thandai concentrate in a glass, then add chilled milk to it. Stir it well. I will decorate it with few slivers of pistachio. All this is optional. And some saffron strands. I will also top it with few rose petals, fresh petals of rose. Chilled tasty thandai is ready. If you like this video, click on like button and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.